Best IES coaching institution in Kolkata. If you're looking for best IES coaching in Kolkata, top ranked UPSC civil services coaching in Kolkata, then this video is for you, because we have done a proper survey in Kolkata, and after surveying a lot of UPSC CSE aspirants told us that this particular coaching is best for UPSC CSE, and henceforth we come up with the ranking of best IS coaching institution in Kolkata. These IS coaching in Kolkata will help you out in preparing civil services examination in the best possible manner. While bringing up the ranking of best UPSC civil services coaching institution in Kolkata, the most important criteria on the basis of which we have ranked IS coaching in Kolkata, and this is also should be your important criteria, is the UPSC faculty. UPSC faculties, batch size, infrastructure, facility. Let's move on to the best IS coaching center in Kolkata. Rank 1 best IS coaching in Kolkata is Plutus IS. Plutus IS is top ranked IS coaching in Kolkata, and for UPSC civil services examination preparation, lot of civil services aspirants from Kolkata told us that Plutus IS coaching institute has helped them in preparing best for UPSC CSE. When we talk about best IS coaching in India, Plutus IS is already trending at number 1, for the very simple reason that the faculty and facilities of Plutus IS coaching institute are best. Plutus IS is having best faculties in India. You can see the profile of the faculties of Plutus IS by visiting plutusis.com, and you get to know why Plutus IS is leading IS coaching. Also, Plutus IS is Delhi based coaching. Lot of students from Kolkata only want to join Delhi based coaching. Now, when Plutus IS is giving UPSC classes in Kolkata from online live interactive model, which is as good as classroom model, if you take that model from Delhi, you will feel like you are staying in Delhi, because you will be studying with Delhi based student, you will be studying from Delhi classes and with the affordable price. This is the only unique technique that Plutus IS is having, that in 3D model of teaching. Plutus IS is having 3D model of teaching, and in this model you do not feel like that you are from Kolkata, and you can save a lot of penny by being in Kolkata and studying from Delhi based coaching institute. This is the very simple reason, and major reason rather, why Plutus IS is number 1 IS coaching in Kolkata. Another leading IS coaching institution in Kolkata is Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Yojana IS Coaching Institute is most affordable IS coaching in Kolkata, and lot of civil services examination aspirants did like Yojana IS because of its affordability without compromising the quality of UPSC faculties. You can even see the profiling of the UPSC faculty, which you should definitely check whether any coaching institute you're gonna be joining, because you are joining IS coaching because of the faculties. Else you can easily prepare for UPSC from free lectures of YouTube. So when we talk about the IS faculties of Yojana IS Coaching Institute, the faculties of Yojana IS Coaching Institute come out to be very good, and most important, it is affordable. You can take the IS classes in just 25,000 to 60,000. Another best IS coaching, which is at number 3 in overall ranking of best civil services coaching in Kolkata, is GEO IS, which is located at CK85 behind HP petrol pump. GEO IS is well-known coaching in Kolkata, and it has been training UPSC CSE aspirants in Kolkata since many years. When it comes to UPSC CSE examination preparation, lot of students liked the GEO IS Coaching Institute. Our ranking of best IS coaching in Kolkata, GEO IS is at rank 3. Next best IS coaching institution in Kolkata is IS Vision, which is since last 7+ years in teaching UPSC as well as WBCS Coaching Institute. Lot of UPSC CSE aspirants in Kolkata did prefer IAS Vision, and its overall ranking of best IAS coaching in Kolkata, IAS Vision stands at rank 4th. Next best platform for UPSC Civil Services examination preparation is Gyanaj.com. You can see the website of Gyanaj.com. It comes out to be most affordable Delhi-based coaching institute. Lot of UPSC CSE aspirants from Kolkata have given very positive review about Gyanaj. The reason why the affordability of Gyanaj.com reaches to 12,000 to 15,000, and maybe less than like 7,000 to 8,000 if it is the discount period. Next best platform for UPSC CSE examination preparation in Kolkata is the Hindu Zone Guidance platform. At the Hindu Zone Guidance platform, you can easily get a lot of video lectures, and a lot of UPSC CSE aspirants from Kolkata have taken the video lectures from the Hindu Zone in very affordable price, say 1,000 to 2,000 and maybe less, and prepare for UPSC who had the financial constraint. They did prepare, and you can even avail this facility. Very important platform which has been used by a lot of UPSC aspirants from Kolkata. You might not be knowing about, but after watching this video you definitely must be knowing. Next best IAS coaching in Kolkata is Educrate IAS Coaching Center. For UPSC Civil Services examination preparation, Educrate IAS is another good name in Kolkata, and a lot of UPSC aspirants talked positive about the Educrate IAS Coaching Institute. Although in our ranking of best IAS coaching institution in Kolkata, featured topmost coaching we have already discussed. It is almost 6th best coaching for UPSC in Kolkata in our overall ranking for IAS examination preparation in Kolkata. For UPSC Civil Services examination preparation in Kolkata, Impulse CSIS coaching is another well-known coaching which is located at Hazra Road in Kolkata, and a lot of UPSC aspirants did like Impulse CSIS coaching as well. For UPSC Civil Services examination aspirants, you can see that Kavish IAS is another one of the good name in Kolkata for IAS examination preparation, which is located at first floor CL Bhavan 56/2 Hazra Road. So that's all about best IAS coaching in Kolkata. This was the exclusive research report of instituterank.com. And below this video you will be finding exclusive research report. Do not forget to check that exclusive research report by instituterank.com on best IAS coaching in Kolkata. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.